Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this beautiful Sconces for event purposes. They have in here the instructions on how we're gonna install these wall lamp sconces and the information about the remote control, which I think that it's really nice that you get them. Each piece comes really well protected with foam, and we have the main units of the lamp. You have a touch control on top of it, which I think that it's really nice, really handful. And as you can see, each piece comes in this really beautiful gold color that I think that is going to be really perfect to place them in your kitchen, in your dining room, or wherever you need them. I think that they are going to look really beautiful when they are all assembled up. We have the charging cables for each lamp. They use a USB Type-C port. These are pieces that we're going to need to use during the installation process, which I think that it's really simple. It doesn't look like a difficult one, which I think that it's nice. And what I like about this is that you get all the pieces that you need to install. So let's go ahead and start assembling everything, and let's see how they look. I think that they are really nice because, as you can see, you just have to assemble all the main pieces of the lamps, place the lamp head upon the main body, and place the base into the wall. And it doesn't need any kind of wiring because they are battery operated, which I think that it's really nice. So you just have to install the bases and place the main units upon the bases, which I think that it's really simple, and it doesn't take that much long. You can place them anywhere that you like. And as you can see, once that we have it ready, we can use with a touch control or with a remote control. We can turn them on, off, change the different colors with the RGB options. We have 3 different modes: flash, strobe, or fade, which I think it's really nice. We have a timing function, so they turn off automatically when the time goes up, and we can also dim it, which I think that it's really nice. I think that it's great that you get all the different colors options. That way you can set them however you like them, and overall I think that they are really nice, and I will really recommend them. See you guys.